Gold last week traded in a very narrow range and consolidated its position further, trading with a moderate bearish bias. We can see it creating lower highs and lower lows towards 2045 and 2015 levels. So now what to expect in the coming week from gold? Can we expect it to drop, or is it just waiting for the 20 period moving average to climb up, get the support and bounce back? What is going to be our strategy trading gold in the coming week? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Press the bell icon to get twice a day notifications for the two releases which I share for gold. First with the Asia and Europe session, next with the US session. Let's start. First, to look into charts and indicators. Towards the end, I will give you the trading levels and strategy in order to profit in the coming week. If you're not joined the channel memberships, join the channel memberships. Now, look at the monthly chart. See, on the monthly charts, you will find, see, identify the pattern here. See, rise and retracement towards the monthly 20 period moving average. Rise, and it appears it is willing to retrace towards the 20 period moving average in the coming time frame. See, this is what we are looking at. What it has done, it has created higher highs here, it is creating lower lows, it is trying to trade in this channel. Where is the bottom of this channel? Somewhere here at around 1900 1920. This monthly candle has started, it has created lower lows, it has created higher lower highs and higher lows as of now. Thus we need to wait for it to break below 2000 levels. That will be the confirmation that it is trying to create a bearish momentum, where the first target is going to be towards 1970 and then towards 1940 levels. Yes, if it continues to trade bearish, if it stays below 2000 and 1997 levels, we can look forward to 1970 and then 1940 levels, as it is trying to retrace a little, forming the similar formation. But as of now, it is not giving any such signs. Possibility of a reversal still exists. If you look at the stochastic, this has dropped. It was slightly overbought earlier. It is now looking downwards. While the MACD is in green, it is trading with little divergence. And if you look at the monthly MACD, see, after the drop, it is still in the retracement zone and it has lot much of room on the upside. This is one observation which suggests that the bullishness in gold may prevail even if it tries to retrace for a couple of months towards 1940 1970 zone. It can bounce back strongly. RSI looking downwards, coming to week. Now, first of all, look at weekly charts here. After the rise, it is forming a nice flag here. It has to give a breakout in order to confirm the uh, rally again. But right now, it is looking downwards. At the same time, it is taking support from the 20 period moving average. It has not yet breached the 20 period moving average here. Yes, after the rise here, it waited for the moving average to climb up. It has retraced. It is taking a good support here. And I will wait for a breakout on the upside. If it does show a breakout, that is a move about 2060, 2065 zone, we can confirm that it is going to break past 2100, 2120 levels as well. Right now, it appears it is not showing any such intention to break on the upside, forming a nice flag formation. Now, if you look at the weekly charts here, see, look at the pattern. First of all, one sharp bearish candle, retracement, then the bearishness is started, then a pullback, and now again looking downward. So this could be the first in the series of red candles, and thus coming week is going to be crucial. If it breaks below 1997 2000 levels, we can confirm that prices are turning bearish. Yes, if it breaks below 1997 and 2000 in the coming week, we can consider that as a bearish. At the same time, looking at last two candles, see, you must notice that it is trying to trade in this zone, and the preceding candle comes with lower highs and lower lows. It suggests that it is in a phase of consolidation. And now, in the coming week, first 2050 levels, then 6065, these two levels needs to be breached in order to confirm the rise here. The stock IST has dropped, it is turning flat. Look at the MACD on the weekly charts, it has crossed. Now, this is one sign which is signaling that there will be a follow-up red candle and there will be further bearishness. So this is one sign which you should watch out for. Look at the first wave, second wave, and the greener part of this wave is done. It is willing to create a red wave here. And look at this. This is just crossed over. Thus, the follow-up candle could be a potential bearish candle. This is something which is a noteworthy point, because see, this crossover after weeks of greener movement can lead to slightly bearish movement from the current levels. Be watchful. RSI looking downwards, coming to daily. Now look at daily charts here. First of all, 2060 65 stronger resistances. Then we have seen prices retracing. What has happened in the last week? 2020, 2018, very good support is created there. This level I have been sharing in my daily analysis every time, that only and only if gold trades below 2018, 2020, we should treat this as bearish. For last two trading sessions, we have seen gold taking a beautiful support from 2020 levels and trying to reverse. Also, if you notice on the daily charts, what gold is doing so far is trading in this channel. It is taking the support from this and getting the resistance at the top of the channel. Very the top of the channel, far above. Also on the daily charts, after the rise, it is retracing and trading in this flag formation. Thus, still it is not confirming, but it is not confirming a drop as well. It is still staying in the. Next is it is trading now below the 20-50 period moving average, and also one must note at how strong is the resistance here at 20, 40, 42 levels. I have shared this several times. Thus, this zone completely between 2018, 2020 to 2040, 42 is going to be a greater consolidation zone. A breakout is what you should look after, and specifically in fact on the downside 1997 2000, and on the upside 2060 2065. This is a zone of caution for us where we should not treat this as either bullish or bearish. If you look at the stock, I'll see this is turning flat, while MACD is also crossing over here for sell. But if you look at MACD, let me show you something here. See, this was the rise, it has retraced, and it is again crossing over for here for sell. And if you look at the movement here, uh, this is a very minor retracement. It is shown on the daily chart. So I will be definitely watchful of how low it can take here, because see, the crossover and the divergence here is what you should look out for. And that is why I say coming week is going to be crucial for gold, where it can try to show a breakout. RSI looking downwards. Coming to 4. Now look at 4-hour charts here. Moving average is crossing over here, trading with divergence and bearishness. Look at symmetrical formation. Yet also one must note that see double bottom at 2020. Very good support is formed. Higher lows are seen, lower highs are seen. Trading in a consolidation zone. This is something we should be very cautious and alert of. It is consolidating, and a breakout is what we should wait for. Stochastic at bottom, it has formed lows here. Look at the MACD trading with divergence and bearishness. RSI is at bottom as well. So now we have seen the charts, we've seen the indicators. Time for me to give you the trading levels and strategy for the coming weeks so that you can trade profitably and comfortably. And before I give you the trading levels and strategy, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my 29th mentorship batch commencing in couple of. Register yourself now. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, be a part of my signals channel if you just want to trade as per the signals. I do share the daily signals on my VIP Telegram channel. And yes, for live updates of the market, you can join the free Telegram channel or be a part of my platform www.forexfunda.com, where you get all the markets related information along with a community of traders, and also you can schedule a call with me if you need any consultation or guidance. All the links are there in the channel and video description. Now the levels, as I shared, first resistance zone is at 2028, 2032. This is the zone where we can initiate a buying position in the coming week. Then we have to wait for it to break. Then the next zone is at, see, these are critical resistance zone, 2038, 2042. If gold stays above this zone, then you can treat that it is giving or trying to give a reversal, trying to rise, trying to give a breakout here. Because once it stays above this zone, then possibility for it to move towards 2050 first resistance, and then 2062.5, 2065, which is the next resistance zone. This is something you should watch out for. Any move above this zone is where you can treat this as a breakout for 2085, and in fact I will be looking forward to 2100 and 2120. But remember, these levels are critical for gold to confirm a breakout, and as long as these levels are respected, you have to just trail it. You have to just keep shifting your stop loss, because we know that prices might reverse, and thus as long as 2065 is not taken, do not treat this as bullish. On the downside, 2018, 2020 is the zone where we are going to get the first support. Below that, we can look forward to 2008, 2010 the next, and then this time I will be looking forward to 1997, 2000 zone. Now, as long as 1997, 2000 is respected, we have to be careful here. Once it trades below this, just stay short. We will look forward to 1971 levels very soon. Even if it tries to bounce back with a drop, remember it is going to trade downwards. It is going to hit lows here. This is where it will confirm that it is willing to drop, and any rise is an opportunity for you to sell. That is why these two levels become crucial for gold in the coming week. First 2060-65 and then 1997-2000 levels on the downside. Below 1971, we are looking forward to 1940. Even if it tries to, these levels are applicable for the complete month of rest of the February, where prices might tend to trade downwards. Though the levels are going to be very crucial. 1971, I do not expect, looking at the momentum right now, possibly gold might not break below 1971 in the month of February, even if it tries to trade bearish. Thus, take your positions accordingly. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do watch the daily updates with the Asia and Europe session for taking a better informed decision. Do share, like, and comment, friends. Join the mentorship batch webinar series Signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank